Yeah, so I'm just, just driving Uber just to pay off my cancer bills, basically. So.
Well, good. I'm sure you'll get there eventually.
Yeah, I'm trying my best because, medical bills in America are so expensive. But
I imagine.
yeah, but luckily I'm alive. I gotta count your blessings, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a good outlook on life. You can let me out right here.
Just right over here. Oh, thanks so much, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah. But hearing your story, I wanted to try and help out a little bit. So.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that, man.
Here's $100.
$100?
Quick extra tip.
This is the biggest tip of my life.
Well, then here, how about 2?
No. Are you serial? Dude, this is gonna change. 300?
Super cereal.
Dude, this is gonna change my life. Are you serious? Dude, I only have $10,000 to pay off now. This is changing my... What?
Here's another 10.
10,000?
Well, it's gonna cover it, right? Or no, you were saying what it was? 100,000, 120,000. Right?
No, dude, my cancer bills are only 10,000.
Well, that'll take care of you after that too.
Oh my gosh.
You have a good one.
Are you an angel?
Spread the love.
You're an angel.